एक ख्वाब टूटा मेरा ऐसे जिंदगी खत्म हो जैसे यार तू बता दे बस ये जीऊं कैसे जीऊं कैसे.
Hi guys, this is Abhishek Nigam and here we are going to launch Jiu Kaise. So let's welcome Krish, Shivani and Meghna.
Hi.
Hello guys.
Amazing, guys. First of all, many congratulations. You have your song coming out in just another night, and I'm sure the audience is super excited. What I am the most excited about, and I'm sure all of the media is about the trio on the poster, and everybody wants to know what is the story that's going on. So tell us a little bit, any one of you.
About the story, so for that, actually you'll have to watch the video. But I can just say it's not a love triangle. There is love, but it's not.
No. You
together.
have to. We can't say anything.
But Krish, if you can give us a little bit of spoilers so that people, they just show their interest. Okay, now let's go watch.
Okay. The spoiler is
that he loves both of us.
as the caption says, stuck in the past and
Future
future away.
Okay, great. You just spoiled it by doing.
Abhishek, if I have to ask you, being the producer for the song, what was it that sort of attracted you to, bring this song on your label?
The first thing which attracted me was, Aditya's nature, because he was the one who produced the song, and he's the maker of the song, Vishwadit Productions. So he connected with me, and फिर हम लोगों ने ऐसे बात की, and the boy is really good, and उसका nature भी बहुत अच्छा है. So हमने बात की, and then he sent me the song. फिर हमने गाना देखा, and I really loved the song because जिस तरह के गाने हम Born Bros पे डालना चाहते हैं, the content oriented songs with artist and the acting, and the whole of a song which you can hear. So उस तरह का ये गाना लगा, तो मतलब it's like favorable content था, तो हमने कहा let's do it.
तेरे बिन मैं जीऊं कैसे जीऊं कैसे.
Meghna and Shivani, if I have to ask you guys, because you come from a content creator's background yourselves, and if we take it from that perspective, how was it to sort of give your inputs also, because you are the writer, director, editor, everything for your own content that you make on Instagram.
Actually, it was a little different because with Meghna, she is acting for the first time.
I've never done anything.
I have acted before, so I was, and since we are like really good friends, so I was helping her out, and it was really nice. And as a content creator, we knew how the audience would react to it and how we can present it to them. So that way, it was helpful.
And yes, I want to
Right.
compliment that all the three actors have really done a fantastic job in terms of acting, because म्यूजिक वीडियो में जिस तरह से इमोशंस आ रहे हैं बिना डायलॉग के, दे हैव beautifully explained everything, the whole story. So I just love this one thing about the video, that all the three artists have acted so well in the video. So yes, congratulations guys. Let's hope
Thank you so much.
So
You just try.
That means a lot to me because I'm really nervous about it. I'm like कि पहली बार लोग मुझे एक्टिंग करते हुए देख रहे हैं.
Yeah, that's her first acting.
but I knew she could do it.
Yeah.
But मैंने भी
I
वीडियो
was-
पहली बार देखी, तो मुझे ऐसा लगा नहीं that Meghna is acting for the first time, or and Krish, you were तो just amazing, bro.
Thanks, man.
But they were really helpful because they have acted before, so they were guiding me through the
Yeah,
scene.
we have shared the screen together.
That's
on
what's
stuff.
fun.
That's exactly. That's we met like 5 years back, and we've been friends ever since. We did a show together.
Yeah, it was the Nikhil Advani
Amazing.
POW on Star Plus.
Okay.
So from there, and then Aditya had come up with this project, and then I was like, I want Shivani. Shivani will do a very good job in it. And then we made Meghna also hear the song, and instantly she clicked with the song.
You are not
That's
only the actor, you are the casting director of the video also.
I'm sure everybody is excited to now know because Abhishek has been talking about the acting and all the intense expressions and whatnot. And the BTS shows a lot of, outdoor locations and the multiple places that you all have shot in. And I also know that you've faced a bit of trouble here and there with the rains and all. So just if you can give us a gist of the shooting experience.
Scene we shot on the outskirts of Pune. So in November it started raining. We were shooting over there, and surprisingly, like in November it started raining. Then our shoot had stalled for 2 days, and then we came back to Bombay, and then we went back again over there to shoot. So it was a hectic sketch for us, but we did it.
Abhishek, the actors seem really excited, but tell me as a producer, what is the pressure like when a song has to come out?
Actually, see, like we have planned in a way कि ये गाना आए और like we could be able to कि हम उसको right audience तक पहुंचा सकें. And then I believe in the song so much because जो गाना है वो बहुत ही soothing. It's a very good romantic track also. And I believe the video is also like it's really nice to watch because the scenes they have shot in the video and the whole composition of the video is so nice. So I have that belief because this time I'm not very much scared because I was scared for the first time while putting up a video, but this time I'm very confident and, because of the belief I have in the video.
The first video that you put out already has over 10 million views, so there was literally nothing to be scared about. Attachment has done extremely well, and I'm sure this song is going to cross every boundary for you guys. Lastly, if I have to ask you, कि जियो कैसे without Dash, what is your creativity going to be?
I cannot live without my label's password.
Give it to us. Probably we'll start leaving.
Of course, I think like you guys will handle it more beautifully, I believe.
Okay, then if you try to drop in the message,
please send it to us.
Done.
joke.
Shivani, you कैसे without?
My best friend.
You कैसे without the internet?
You कैसे without food?
Yeah, I think you
Right.
Shivani should be food only because they eat a lot.
I cannot live
we
without
eat a
food.
lot. That was one thing.
Amazing.
All
Amazing. Thank you so much, guys. Finally, one last message to the audience who has probably already seen the song. Yeah, if they're going to watch the song, and if they are planning to watch the song, what is it that you want to tell them?
Please watch the song. You are going to love the cinema we have created. It's going to be very good, very
There's a
soothing.
story behind it. I think you'll enjoy this story.
Everyone will connect to the song.
I think
I am
during
so
the
sure.
season, long drives and the song just goes perfectly.
The
And
best.
everyone really enjoy it.
The people who are in love, who have broken their heart, everyone.
Everyone. If you're happy, listen to the song. If you're not, listen to the song.
Amazing.
The
Abhishek, what
important-
is it from your side to all your fans? And
Go watch the song, like the song, comment on the song, share the song, and like subscribe to the channel.
amazing. Thank you so much, guys. All the best for the song, and I'm sure it's going to do great numbers. Thank you so much.
एक ख्वाब टूटा मेरा ऐसे जिंदगी खत्म हो जैसे यार तू बता दे बस ये जियूं कैसे